Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today's video is a little colorful video. I never wanted to do a look which is too subtle. I wanted to play around with colors, so I thought why not to create a look which looks like this. I created an eye look which is a little similar to the color that I'm wearing with a nice pop of color on my lips. So in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my face with this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this product. It's so hydrating and it's a wonderful base to start your makeup. And I'm sad because it's getting over now. Now to have that nice beautiful glow on my skin, I love this one which is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter and this is in shade medium. I'm going to apply it on all high points of my face. And look at the glow. It is so beautiful. Now for color correction, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury corrector and this one is in the shade 2 medium. I'm going to apply it with this Sephora brush, and this is from the Pro collection. This is the Pro Airbrush Concealer Brush. This is in number 57 and I love this brush. Now we come to foundation, and for this look I don't want a foundation which is very heavy on skin, and for this I'm using the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. This is a beautiful foundation. It melts into your skin. It doesn't look like as if you've put something on your skin, and it just looks like skin. And I am in shade Y315. I'm going to apply it with this Morphe brush, M427, all over my face. And once I apply it with this, I'm going to set everything with a damp beauty blender. Now it's time to conceal dark circles and all the imperfections on skin. And for this I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. I'm going to apply it in the inner and outer corner of the eyes, around my nose, around my lips, and these teeny tiny spots on my face. My skin has not been behaving nicely lately, so I'm going to cover it with this concealer. And for highlighting, I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the tip of my nose, my forehead, my cupid and my chin. I'm going to blend this with this Morphe E21 brush, the same brush that I used for blending the concealer. Now we come to blush, and lately I've been loving liquid blushes. So I'm going to apply this one from Glossier. This is the Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. And I'm going to apply it with the Morphe brush M492. I'll take the blush at the back of my hand, just warm up the product a little bit, and then apply it with this brush. It's time to set all the areas where I think I crease. So I'm using my favorite translucent powder, which is Laura Mercier. I am hooked on to this powder. No matter whatever powder I use, I come back to this powder again. And I'm going to apply it with this Morphe brush E49. Now it's time to bronze, and I am using the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. I'm applying it with this Smashbox buildable cheek brush. It's such a nice brush, so soft. It's time to do brows, and for my brows I am using the Goof brow pencil by Benefit in number 5. Now I've come to my eyes, and for my eyes today I am using the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership palette, and I'm using this pale beigey sort of color. I'm going to apply it with the Morphe brush M441. I'm going to use this color as my transition color, and with a crown brush I'm going to apply the same color on the lower lash line as well. Now for my eyes I am going to use this product from Makeup Revolution. This is the Awesome Metal eyeshadow in the shade Emerald Goddess. I'm going to warm up the product a little bit with this focalier brush and apply the product straight away on my lid. The color is so beautiful. It's not too pigmented, but the amount of glitter and specks of glitter that it has in it, it looks beautiful. Now just to make this color pop a little bit more, I'm going to use this corner color which has tiny specks of glitter again in it from the Mothership palette, and I'll apply it all over my lid. I'm using a Luxie eye shading brush, and look how beautiful the color looks now. I'll finish off my eyes by using this Too Faced Better Than Love waterproof mascara, and this mascara is bomb. Look at the way it coats your lashes. But the downside for this mascara is when the product starts getting dry in the tube, you start getting a fallout. Now it's time to highlight, and for the highlighter I'm using this Colourpop palette. This is a double palette which has a blush and a highlight. It's called Dundee, and I'm going to use this highlighter. I'm going to apply it with this brush from Fenty Beauty. This is the highlight brush. I just bought this brush and I wanted to see how beautiful the highlight comes out when I apply it with this brush. Time for lips now, and I'm using the Colourbar Lip Definer pencil in the shade Mad Pink 011. And I'll fill my lips with the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte, and this is in the shade 104, Strike a Rose. That completes the whole look, but the final and the most important step is to fix everything, and I'm using the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. So this is the final look, and I completely enjoyed creating this colorful look for myself, and I hope you all would have enjoyed it too. In case you like it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time my new video goes up. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.